Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. If you are a Cash App user, this video is going to be very useful for you. In this detailed video, we will explain the step-by-step process to dispute a charge on Cash App. Cash App not only works as a peer-to-peer payment app, but also provides many other facilities for which it charges different fees. Additionally, if we purchase an item through Cash App, its amount can be deducted from our Cash App balance. However, most people are not aware of how to dispute a charge, if an item is returned, or if there is an incorrect charge deducted from our account. In today's video, we will explain this process step by step and discuss important things to keep in mind when filing a dispute. So, let's get started. Before learning how to dispute a charge on Cash App, it's important to understand some basic things. For example, what are Cash App charges, what are random charges, and can we dispute any charge on Cash App or not? Having this information is essential. To provide you with all this information, we have referred to a website called Cabbage Loan Guide. On this website, you'll find hundreds of articles related to Cash App on the right-hand side. One of the articles is titled How to Dispute a Charge on Cash App, Fast and Easy Method. When you scroll down in this article, you will find detailed information about disputing a charge on Cash App. There is a subheading titled How to Dispute a Charge on Cash App, Step-by-Step Guide. Here, they have explained, if you find yourself in a situation where direct communication with the merchant proves unfruitful in resolving a transaction issue, initiating a dispute might be a viable option. Take these steps. Access your Cash App activity. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Navigate to the Activity tab, which displays a comprehensive list of your transactions. Select the transaction. Identify the specific transaction that requires dispute resolution. Tap on the transaction to open its details. Access additional options. Look for the ellipsis icon, usually located in the top right corner of the transaction details screen. Tap on the ellipsis to reveal a menu with additional options. Choose Need Help and Cash App Support. Among the menu options, select Need Help and Cash App Support. This step opens up a range of support-related features. Initiate the dispute. Process. Within the support options, locate and tap on Dispute this transaction. This action signals your intention to initiate the dispute resolution process. Follow on-screen prompts. Cash App may present you with on-screen prompts or inquiries regarding the nature of the dispute. Provide accurate and detailed information as prompted. Submit. Supporting documentation. If required, Cash App might prompt you to submit supporting documentation. This could include screenshots, receipts, or any relevant proof related to the transaction. Review dispute status. After submitting the dispute, regularly check the status through the app. Cash App may provide updates on the progress. Be responsive to additional inquiries. Cash App support might reach out for additional information during the investigation. Respond promptly to any requests to ensure a thorough evaluation. Monitor for resolution. Keep an eye on your Activity tab for updates on the dispute resolution. So, by following these simple steps, you can file a dispute for any charge on Cash App. However, before filing a dispute, it's always a good idea to contact Cash App customer support because the process for disputing different types of transactions might vary. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have some more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.